Okay, guys, we will be doing the fidget spinner video. I have this one, and this one. Now I will be giving away these. Please write in the description, and I will be writing a link. Which one do you want, the light up and these two regular? Because I have a whole bunch of them. So this is my partner for the day. Come in. What's up, DK Gang?
What's up, DK Gang?
I know you know Dear and Ken got DK Gang, but we got DK Gang. Okay. Let's get it. Let's hop into the video. Okay. Alright. Again, I will be pushing out these. So, and the next video will be about hot noodles. We'll be making the noodles. I will show you the noodles. And so, we'll be putting hot sauce in it. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell and hit the thumbs up button in 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And write in the description when you are done.